Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Anne Arundel County in central Maryland, southeastern Howard County in central Maryland, east central Montgomery County in central Maryland, northeastern Prince George's County in central Maryland, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:53 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Savage Guilford to White Oak, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Columbia, Bowie, Severn, College Park, Crofton, Greenbelt, Beltsville, Elk Ridge, University of Maryland, Glen Burnie, Severna Park, Odoton, Laurel, Fairland, White Oak, East Riverdale, Adelphi, Colesville, Kettering, and Kent Mill. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. This is the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Station KEC 83.
A thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Anne Arundel, and Howard. The following is the coastal